A simple guide to affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is an extravagant method of marketing that assists in monetizing web traffic. If you wish to get started with affiliate marketing, here this beginner's tutorial with us, where we will be discussing the simple process of affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? Just promote it well to your audiences and earn a piece of profit for each sale that you make. Learn the key points of affiliate marketing. 1. Affiliates promote the product. 2. Sellers create as well as sell the product. 3. Networks manage the affiliate network. 4. Consumers buy the product. Key players such as an affiliate, sellers, networkers, and consumers play a significant role. So if you are willing to get started, you must know the market of affiliate marketing, which offers varying channels, namely blogging, influencer marketing, paid search, email marketing, coupon sites, mass media, PR, and many more. Steps to become an affiliate marketer. Step number 1. Find a niche. Choosing a niche is very important. The right niche will decide what you are going to stock your store with. Starting with a single product can reach up to limitless. Step number 2. Choose a channel. As blogging is the easiest way for affiliate marketing, you can begin with product reviews. YouTube is another impeccable channel, but the competition is hard to break. Affiliate marketing can also be done on platforms such as Amazon, Flipkart, and Myntra. Irrespective of the channel that you may choose, make sure to be clear about what needs to be done and shared. Step number 3. Choose the product. It's now time to choose the right product for your promotion. Only choose the products which offer high quality range and are the ones which you will also be considering to buy. Step number 4. Join an affiliate program or a network. If you have a web presence and are ready to create content, you are already ahead in the game. Joining a program will give you access to brands as well as tools. Network areas involve ShareSell, Avin, Amazon Associates, and many more. Step number 5, which is the final step. Create quality content. At last, choose a vertical which reflects effective product reviews, offers case studies, and provides product comparisons in order to build an effective target audience. Once you have created the right content, you are all set to generate money via clicks through your affiliate links. Thinking of how to get paid via affiliate marketing? Well, make sure you have understood the above mentioned program payouts. If you are willing to sell money in a specific arena, the recurring commission model will provide you with the money in the current currency. Moreover, a page that states sale has a higher possibility of deriving more commissions from the marketer. Look out for the competition, stay updated, and diversify your products well, and become a certified affiliate marketer today. Join our digital marketing course at Techstack Academy, and we make sure to launch your career in the best manner possible. Still not convinced? Well, visit us at www.techstack.in.